What's up, everybody? Aaron here. I have a super fun, exciting announcement. At least it's super fun and exciting for me. I am going to give away one of these custom gauge faces for this Ferrari F430. As you know, I'm doing a manual conversion on it. As you may not know, I am a software engineer as my full-time gig. I just do this stuff for fun and to help out the community and because I like working on my own cars. Anyway, I created my own website, helpmediy.org. Yes, that's right, .org. Some squatter has .com. Anyway, if you go to helpmediy.org, I have a new website I just put up. I have a raffle section on it, and I want you guys to help me test it out. So I want to give away, again, this custom gauge face. It's got my logo. It is for a manual because if you know about manual Ferraris, there is no, where my face is on this thing is usually a hole to show you what gear you're in an F1. Anyway, I had these custom made for my project. They sent me a second one so that I could raffle it off. I want to test out the website. So you guys, if you want to get this thing for free, go to the website, no purchase necessary. You can purchase some raffle tickets if you just want to help support the channel, or if you really, really want this thing and want a better chance to win it. There are several ways to enter this raffle and all future raffles. I hope to start being able to give away some more free stuff on the channel as sponsorships and other things come around. I want to help you guys. So you can, first of all, you can subscribe to this channel. You should be subscribed already. So that should be an easy one. You're going to go on there. You're going to click the button to subscribe. It is going to make you log into YouTube, and it's going to request authorization so that it can validate that you're actually subscribed. Sorry, it's the only way to actually automate that. It's going to sound like I'm going to have access to all your crap. I'm not going to do anything with your crap. It's just going to prove that you are subscribed. Option 2, you're going to go to Instagram. I'm going to make a post about this. You are going to share that post, and you're going to DM me #raffle and your email account that you used on the website, because I need to know who to give the raffle entry to. Option 3, create an account on the website. Easy one. Option 4, you go to Facebook and you like my Facebook page. Another easy one to do. Again, DM me #raffle and your user password so that I know who to give the entry to. And then, of course, you can purchase some of these. I'm going to put a link on there if you want to purchase some raffle entries. If you just want to help out the channel, you know, I always appreciate that. Everything that I make on this channel so far has gone back into the channel, buying car parts and stuff to make videos and help you guys out. So anyway, I feel like I'm talking a lot. Go check out the channel. This is kind of a test run for me. I just want to make sure that the raffle system works. Make sure all the entries work. If you guys have any questions, comments, find things that don't work, please leave comments down here. Share it with your friends, let them know about it, all that good stuff. I will probably make this one a pretty quick raffle. Like, I can't imagine leaving it up for more than a week. So I will pick a winner fairly soon. I'll make a video on that. Maybe I'll do a live thing to pick a winner. I don't know. But anyway, hopefully you guys are excited about getting free stuff. I'm excited about being able to give away free stuff. So I had to make my own website to do it because it was the easiest way for me to have some kind of cool raffle system. And it was a fun little side project. So anyway, please give the video a thumbs up. Go on, get all your entries, and I'll see you guys soon and select a winner.